Ferrovial Agroman is one of Europe's leading construction companies. The company works on around 1,400 construction projects each year in Spain and 10 other countries throughout the world. All of these, from large motorways to the smallest buildings, have a common denominator: a commitment to quality and environment. This commitment begins long before the machines arrive on site. The projects are analyzed exhaustively with the objective of bringing in the best environmental practices. Ferrovial Agroman, which holds ISO 14001 certification, has many years of experience in sustainable construction. In addition, the company collaborates closely with several leading institutions dedicated to protecting the environment, such as the Spanish National Research Council, the Biodiversity Foundation, and the Brown Bear Foundation. The Rañadoiro tunnel in the heart of Asturias is a clear example of this focus on caring for the environment.
La obra está encuadrada en el suroccidente asturiano.
The work is being carried out in the southwest of Asturias, between the municipalities of Cangas de Narcea and Degaña. The project relates to a 4-kilometre stretch of road that connects these two municipalities. The current road is a very windy one, 13 kilometres long, which crowns the Rañadoiro pass at a height of around 1,200 metres. Owing to this, it's very complicated for cars to pass, especially in the winter months, which are usually very severe in this area. The road we're building communicates these centres and shortens the route by 9 kilometres, from 13 to the 4 that we're going to construct. The project consists of 2 kilometres of road in the open and 2 kilometres inside a tunnel.
The surroundings of the site require the project to be adapted accordingly, reusing the earth from the tunnel to regenerate deteriorated spaces, limiting activity during periods in which fauna is particularly sensitive, or selecting the most appropriate restoration procedures. These considerations, which dictate certain characteristics of the project, mean that the work will not be completed until the year 2010.
What makes this work special? Well, it is located within the National Park of Cangas de Narcea, Degaña and Ibias, and is located right beside the Biosphere Reserve of Muñeillos. That is, it's an area of very high ecological value, both for fauna and flora, and especially from the point of view of the fauna. The brown bear, which is an endangered species.
When the Principality of Asturias awarded this project to the joint venture led by Ferrovial Agroman, the construction company quickly got in contact with the Brown Bear Foundation. Both have already worked together on the Pajares Tunnel project in the province of Cantabria. This foundation has worked since 1992 in defense of the habitat of these large mammals. The Rañadoiro mountain range is one of the most important areas of the Cantabrian bear populations. Close to 100 bears live between these parts of Asturias and the north of León.
The Brown Bear Foundation has an agreement with Ferrovial that lays out a framework detailing the work and collaboration on specific construction projects. This is very important for the foundation because we're concerned about the impact of public works on the bear's habitat in both the execution and planning phases. We believe that collaboration between the agents responsible for these projects and people dedicated to the conservationist view of the bear and the bear's landscape can be very productive. And this is what we've experienced in our relationship with Ferrovial.
The work with the Brown Bear Foundation forms part of a global collaboration and a more global vision towards achieving environmental objectives. It has not only been developed for this project, neither is it specific to this project. Ferrovial sought this collaboration from the very beginning.